can all take turns.
Yay! Yeah, go first. What's the dog phone? Can I come?
So, what are we doing now?
I'm a cousin.
Forest adventure!
Yay!
Sofia, run!
No! Nope.
He'll drop it and he'll tell it all.
Hattie's going.
Just make a full video, innit?
Don't break it! He's got a new phone! What's up, Maggie? Which way should we go, Dad?
Yeah, just keep going up the path.
And I got my jingle bell.
Okay, single bell.
Mommy's camera shy, Sofia.
Do anything what you want. You can do anything now.
Apart from that silly noise.
Yeah. They won't bite you.
Right, go on, keep going then.
Do something then.
Sofia, you're not a very good camera here.
Let's go.
Some people get some stuff.
Yeah. But then I'm a backer. Look at these beautiful flowers.
Right, come on in.
No, it's trying to kick Kenzie again. But... No, she noises. I find her.
Hello, subscribers.
Hello, Cybers. What's up? Please get 100 food on this.
Your palms on the camera. Yeah.
You'll get better at this eventually, won't you? I think we'll have to get you a selfie stick, won't I?
Sofia, do it to mum, do it to mum, do it to mum.
9, 5.
Go real quick, do it! Quick! Go!
Just keep going.
They like you,
Are
Mommy.
you going on?
Look, watch your
Yeah,
poo, watch your poo, watch your poo, watch your poo, watch your poo. Step right in it.
Yeah, I
On video.
did.
Oh my god, that's just the weed.
Go on the grass on the flowers, go.
No, don't, just keep going.
Let's come off.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Jesus, see.
Sofia, the water, wash it off.
See that?
Do it to mum.
No, get out of the water, just keep going. Austin literally just stood in dog shit. See what dog shit. What is his trap? Why is it covered in dog poo? Sofia, I don't want to find a better way out to hold that because all you're recording is your hand bits.
What about like this?
I don't think the subscribers want to see your hand, do they?
Yeah.
No,
It's
do
Kenzie's
it,
turn now. No, it's yours. No,
do it sideways, babe.
Youngest
Landscape.
to older.
Like that,
From
that's
older.
landscape, yeah?
Yeah.
Go chase Catherine, look. Go, 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 go.
Me?
Go.
What's up? So, can someone else be here?
Come on.
Take someone else, I'm not a good cameraman.
You're a camera lady.
Can
Are you a camera lady or a cameraman?
Can you pick someone else?
I'll pick myself, look.
No.
I'm a good cameraman.
Yeah.
What? Austin doesn't want to do it.
I can do it. Oh, you want to do it?
Yeah.
You can record everything. Give it to him then. Give it to him.
2 seconds then, I'll start a new one.